YouTubers? It is Saturday, June 2nd. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. Today we have Amazon Prime unboxing. And of course, you guys can get one at low cost. Click on the links down below. Check them out. Here comes a cut. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. And this might be good for a Father's Day gift, which is coming fast. But we shall see what this is. Oh wow. Alright, this is coming from my good friends over on Amazon Prime, WONNIE. Yes, it is WONNIE Home LED Mini HD Projector. Now these are nice. I'm definitely going to open it up, go down to my dungeon and put it on the wall, let you guys see it. But this is definitely a really nice gift to give out. And like I said, really good price right now. All you got to do is click on the links down below and check them out. But we're gonna see. I can't play the movies just because of copyright material and stuff like that, but we could see on the Cody, or not Cody, but on the Fire Stick, like at least what size it could go up to and stuff. But I can't play video. But video will be on Instagram on Sunday. I'll be posting all my unboxings, especially this. I want to see, but this is supposed to be really good. Definitely excited. You guys will be too once you get yours. Comes with some nice cables, HDMI, bada boom, normal standard audio video cables. We got the remote, really nice. Nice matte finish. WONNIE. Thank you guys. And we have cable, power cord. And now here she is. Let's take her out. Nice and easy. Ah, man. And I think they might have different colors and other projectors also, and I do believe screens, but you might want to check them on the, oh, there's a little case. Definitely you can watch some football, some baseball on this thing, play some Fortnite, all that good stuff. Oh, jeez. I don't want to break it. Nice lens right there. Top right here. Smooth right there. Got the menu, source, HDMI, and so on. Oh, here's the back. Got one HDMI port, VGA for computer, TF. I believe that's memory card. Headphones, aux, USB. Why is my camera not focused? Hey, there we go. RF module. So maybe I can make it Bluetooth with that Bluetooth receiver. Turn this into the Bluetooth part. And there we go. Not look into the lens. That is a good thing not to do. IR. I want to see some features. But definitely check them out if you guys have a chance. And like I said, Father's Day is coming around the corner fast. Get this shipped to you in like a few days tops. And like I said, now they got the Amazon trunk service where they deliver it to your car. So, which is really cool. And I'm hoping the drones will be coming soon. Definitely want to see how that will work. But USB connection, And HDMI, which is good. Hook up your PS4, your Macs, tablets, all that good stuff. Xbox, Nintendo Switch, some retro consoles. Have it outside. And it is full 80 or full 1080p. Oh wow. Projection 120 inch is a max. 30,000 hours. This one lasts. LED perfect match. Portable size. Stereo speaker is 2 watts. 8 gigabit. It has a smart engine. This thing is nice. Okay, YouTubers, I will go downstairs and to the dungeon, set this up, and I'll be right back. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are down in my basement, aka the dungeon. Well, we got it on the wall. Right now it's kind of still laid out, but that's what it looks like. Really huge. I only got it on a couple boxes right now. Like I said, I haven't really set it up, but right now that's what it looks. And I'm gonna try to put on the Fire Stick, but like I said, movies I can't do right now just because of copyright. I wish I could though, but I can't wait to see what this could do. You got smooth operator. You got photos. You got upload. I think that's USB. And once it gets darker outside, it'll definitely look good. And plus it needs to warm up. And this is the first run. Come on. Source. Alright, there we go. You gotta hit the source button, pull up the menu, and you got the Alexa. And Facebook, where is? There we go. Yeah, this is nice. Well, I wish it was a little darker. And it'll be on my Instagram for sure if you guys want to check it out. But this is the network WWE. Let me adjust it a little bit. I can tilt it that way. Make it look. And then, oh, okay. Right about maybe there. Oh, that's still kind of fuzzy. I need to get a screen, possibly, but I don't think you need one. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. You can still use sheets and stuff like that. But and definitely check them out, YouTubers. Get this at a low cost and take advantage of the fast shipping. So thank you guys over at WONNIE, Amazon Prime. Get you guys one at low cost. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.